Hello everyone, it's Ruben here, and today we will be talking about the split wallet and showcase it to you. So we covered all the other wallets already and we made videos about those, about single paper wallet, the bulk wallet, the brain wallet, the vanity wallet, and now last but not least, the split wallet. So basically the split wallet creates a private key and then splits it up into an amount of shares that is chosen on the page. So here you can choose the amount of shares you want. You will need a minimum amount of shares to reconstruct the private key again, which can also be set on the page. So that's what you see on the left side of this. You see the number 2, and that's the amount of minimum shares you will be needing in order to recreate it. So what is the advantage of this? Well, for example, you can keep, if you do a minimum share threshold of 2, you can keep, for example, 1 share at your own place and another share, for example, at grandma or something like that. If a thief gets his hands on your private key, he still can't access your funds as he will be in the need of 2 shares. So that's totally up to you, you know. You can make as many as you want. You can put it to 10 and spread them all over the backyard. And so they are sort of an alternative for multi-signatures, but they are best used to split up your private key and hiding the different shares in different locations on paper, for example for a thief or anything else. So yeah, here you can put the number of shares you want. So let's say 8 shares, minimum we need 2, and we hit generate, and then here you go, you here have 8 shares. Enter available shares. So that's pretty much it. That's the split wallet. If you want to check out all the other videos, there is a playlist for all the paper wallet guides. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Wish you a great day. I'm out.